What's up, guys, and thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Yadrissa, and today I will be showing you how I got this Ursula makeup tutorial. So this is a Ursula makeup look from the movie The Little Mermaid. As you guys know, that The Little Mermaid movie is coming out later on this month. I am so excited. As you can see, I did a whole makeup look on it. So I'm going to be showing you guys this look here with Ursula. You know, Ursula is the octopus in the movie, and I wanted to just channel this look and try to recreate this look with a makeup special effects makeup like this. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I use, and I'm going to tell you step by step how I got this makeup look. So if you're interested, then make sure you keep on watching and stay tuned for the rest of the video. So this is the face paint that I'm going to be using today. This came in a set, and it is a set, I believe, that came from one of the drugstores. I think it was Rite Aid or Walmart, one of those. This was actually a gift from my sister. But what I'm going to be doing is, off camera, I did put glue on my eyebrows and combed them down with a spoolie, and then now I'm putting my concealer over my eyebrows because I want to conceal my eyebrows. I don't want my eyebrows to show through, so that is why I did that step. So what I'm doing now is, with that face paint that I just showed you guys, I'm going to be applying that face paint all over my face, and I am going to also bring that face paint down to my neck and down to my chest area as well, because those are the areas that's going to be out and exposed. So I am going to be filling it in. So with that palette, as you can see, there's different shades of purple. There was 3 different shades. This first shade that I had added, I didn't like it, so I did go in with the one that was slightly darker, but it wasn't that much darker. But I just, work with what I had, and I just use those 2 purple shades. So after I apply the paint on my face, I am going to be using this as a contour. And it is a paint from another palette that I have, another face paint palette that I have. But this palette I got from Amazon. It is a palette I got from Amazon, and it has, it have different colors in it. But I went in with that dark blue shade, and I'm just going to be using that to create my contour all over my face. And I'm bringing that contour on my forehead, and as you can see, I didn't put that much on my forehead or other areas, but I did want to give that effect of a contour look, so everything is not just purple, because those purples were lighter in different shades. I didn't go with the purple. That is why I decided to go in with the blue shades to contour. And as you can see, that purple is really, really, really light, and you can barely notice it, but you can notice it more once I turn down my lightings, because I have the lighting all around me when I record, so it makes everything it makes everything look a lot more harsh. It makes it look, everything stand out a lot more, because the light is shining directly on it. I have so much light on my face. So this is a black cream pencil that I'm using, and I'm just going to be creating my eyebrows with this black cream pencils. This is from Absolute New York. I did get this from my local beauty supply, and I was just drawing my eyebrows. This palette that I'm going to be using today, I am going to be going in with the purple shades, and I'm going to go in with the blue shades as well. What I like about this palette is it has metallic shades of each color, and it has regular eyeshadow color. So I did like that about this palette. So I'm just going to be overlining on my eyelid, going higher than I usually would, because it's an exaggerated look. This is cartoon makeup. This is supposed to be fun. This is not something that you're going out with your man. It's a fun look, so have fun with it. So, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm creating that high eyeshadow, and I'm going in with that blue shade first, and then I'm going to go in with that purple. And as you can see, I'm bringing that eyeshadow all the way up to the eyebrow that I created. I'm bringing it all the way up as high as I can. So now what I'm doing, I'm going to be creating these false big chunky cheeks because, Ursula, she's an octopus and she's really, really big. And I wanted to create that effect as I have a really big, full cheek. So that was what I was trying to do. I created my lines and then I did blend the lines in so the lines are not so harsh, but you can still see the details of it, and it can give it an effect that my cheeks are, much more fuller and bigger than what they are in real life, basically. I didn't want to do any prosthetics with this video, so I was just trying to create everything with makeup. And this is my red lipstick that I'm going in. This is a matte shade, and this is a red lipstick that I'm going to be using. I forgot the name of this lipstick, but I will be sure to list it down in the description in case anybody's wondering or interested in this color. I really like this color. I believe this is a matte shade. I believe it's a matte shade of red, but this is really, really pretty red, and it's really, really stands out. So now I'm going in with my Airspun translucent setting powder, and I'm going to be setting my whole face with that translucent powder, setting everything so everything stays in place, so the makeup doesn't move around in any type of way. Even though I didn't leave this makeup on for long, I still wanted to set my makeup so everything, is in place. So when I take my videos, when I do my, whatever it is that I need to do for this video. I am just putting a gloss on top of this lip gloss. I'm using this makeup brush, and I'm going in with these two shades. It's like a mustard color, and the other one is like a brighter yellow color paint. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to draw a seashell because Ursula has that seashell that she wears as a necklace, and I'm trying to draw a necklace because I don't have a seashell necklace. So I am trying to draw, and I do have a photo right next to me whenever I create different looks, so I can just go back to look back and forth to the reference photo so I can know what I'm doing and just keep going on with my makeup by looking back at the photo, or whether it's a screenshot or something that I have, so that I can have it in front of me so it's easier for me to try to recreate, basically. I haven't posted on my channel in a while, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video that I'm putting out today. I am really into the Little Mermaid. As you know, it's coming out this month. The new Little Mermaid is coming out, and I'm excited. As you can see, I'm creating this Ursula look for for the Little Mermaid theme. And I'm just really excited, and I also can't wait to go see the movie as well. Let me know down in the comment section if anybody else is going to go see the movie. I do have a small child, a baby girl, so I will be taking my child to go see the Little Mermaid, and I hope that the movie is as good as the previews that I have seen, but I'm sure we will enjoy it. So I'm just coming back with this video here. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, let me know down in the comment section below if you enjoyed this video, or if I could have done something different in my video. If you have any more, any suggestions or any paint, like what type of paint, if you guys are into painting, and what kind of paint do you guys use? I tried so many different paints, and I just really need to get a good brand that is really it's really pigmented, basically, so the color stands out. And I did draw the fake string with my my pencil, and I am just putting my lashes on. I just use these Ardell lashes, and these are really big and long dramatic lashes, so I decided to go with these lashes for this look. And I was just so excited to create this look. I was gonna order some more face paint, but I just wanted to recreate it as soon as I thought of it. So maybe next time I will order some more paint and have it, by the time it is that I want to create a video. Long story short. So now what I'm doing, I'm trying to create kind of like it's not like a bun, like a French roll. I think that's the name of it. And I just folded the hair over and used the clip to hold the hair in place. I did create a side bang because I just wanted that piece to be in the middle to create this kind of swirl at the top. So I'm going to show you guys how I pin that piece up, but I don't know, I just wanted to add some, two curls on the side. So that's what I did, 2 curls on the side of my hair, just curled it with my flat iron. And this is the part that I was talking about. I wanted to have a really cute swoop in the middle because Ursula has, her hair is sticking up and her hair is also white. I didn't have a white wig, so I just went in with this blonde. And I like the way that it came out. I really did enjoy this video. This is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to check out some other videos I have and connect with me on my social media platforms. And I will be creating more videos. Bye.